The global equity bull run just created nearly 2 million new millionaires. But for a Dutch paint giant and a rocket company from Texas, that wealth might as well be on another planet. Two massive catalysts, one abandoned, one blocked, are sending capital in very different directions. Today, we trace where the money is going and where it's slamming into walls. That wall first hits Akzo Nobel, maker of Dulux Paint. Shares plunged 17% after Nippon Paint, and Sherwin Williams confirmed they will not pursue a joint cash offer. The companies had earlier refused a €73 per share bid, calling it undervalued and uncertain. The collapse leaves Akzo Nobel without a deal premium, and the stock is back to where it was before the takeover rumors, meaning investors who bet on a buyout are now trapped. And that sets up the next blockade. Speaking of those millionaires, Capgemini reports the global rally in 2025 created almost 2 million new millionaires, pushing the total to 25.3 million, a 7.9% rise. The US alone added 730,000. Ultra-high net worth individuals grew even faster, now holding 35% of all millionaire wealth. So the bull market is concentrating fortunes at the top, even as Bitcoin and paint stocks get sold. That raises the question, where is that new wealth being deployed? Which brings us to SpaceX. The most anticipated IPO in years won't get a fast track into the S&P 500 because S&P Dow Jones Indices just confirmed it will keep the 12-month seasoning rule. That means even if SpaceX lists, it can't join the index for a year, delaying billions in passive fund inflows. For a company valued at over $200 billion, every month without index inclusion costs investors the forced buying power of ETFs. But while that door remains closed, the capital that would have gone there is moving elsewhere. Specifically, some of that money seems to be coming out of crypto. Bitcoin slid below $62,000, its lowest since February, as investors rotate into splashy IPOs like SpaceX and AI firms. Wolf Research even warns the 4-year cycle could push Bitcoin under $40,000 this fall. So the rotation out of old-school assets like paint and crypto into new tech IPOs is real. But it's also pulling liquidity from a market that just minted millions of millionaires. One answer: AI networking. Ciena, the optical networking firm, posted a 33% revenue surge to $1.43 billion, driven by customers expanding high-speed networks for AI workloads. Adjusted earnings per share hit $1.35, beating expectations. This shows the AI infrastructure build-out is not just about GPUs, it's about the pipes connecting them. Ciena is a direct beneficiary of capital flowing into the AI ecosystem, and the results confirm the theme. And as that capital flows, new risks emerge. Robinhood just launched an AI-driven trading bot that automatically executes equity trades based on user-set parameters. Advisors warn it could give investors a false sense of control, generate unsuitable trades, and boost Robinhood's revenue. In a market where capital is rotating fast, the last thing you need is an algorithm making the wrong bets at the wrong time. And that's where today's story lands. Money is moving, but tools that move it also carry hidden risks. So what does it all add up to? The bull market is real and selective. Old-world giants like paint and crypto are getting sold to fund the next wave, AI infrastructure and IPOs. But the rules of the game, index eligibility, regulatory scrutiny, seasoning periods, are shaping who gets in and who gets left behind. The millionaires of 2025 are betting on the new economy. The question is whether the old guard can adapt fast enough.